Are you looking to sell or buy a property in North Luzon? Visit our website at remaxaria.com to know more about how our team can help you.
Hi, this is Vijay from Remax Aria and welcome to another property tour. Today we are in Bermuda Hills subdivision here in Baguio City and we're looking at a brand new house and lot for sale. This property has 189 square meters of lot area with 274 square meters of floor area. Inside the house, we have 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths, plus 1 powder room, and we also have our 2 car parks. So tara, pasok tayo. So this property is newly built, so katatapos lang nito. So here we have our 2 car parks and this is your main entrance. So going inside the house, it has 2 levels pero this is the ground floor. Tapos yung other levels is actually below. So kung makikita nyo sa labas, it looks like a bungalow pero meron pa siyang levels below. Alright, so upon entering the house, this will be your living area. So you have a wide living area alongside with your dining area. So kung yan yung ating living space, this would be probably your formal dining or your dining area. So you have an open layout on this level of the house. So dito, wala tayo actually bedrooms. So lahat ng bedrooms natin is nasa ating basement area. So what's good about this is you have an open layout so yung hangin maganda and it's really maliwanag dito kasi you have all this window. So dito naman is our kitchen area. You have your kitchen island. You have storage under and you have storage up here. Yan. Tapos you have a double sink. Oh, well, it's not a double sink. So you have this sink over here and you have this huge window na makikita mo yung magandang view. Actually, maganda tong bahay na to kasi ang ganda rin ng view. So if we go out here, andito ka, you have a wide balcony. So if you want, kung gusto maglagay ng tables and chairs, pwedeng-pwede yan dito. So if you want to have your coffee or your breakfast dito, pwedeng-pwede yan. And look at that beautiful view. So from here, makikita mo actually yung Pinewoods Golf Course doon sa malayo. Tapos this balcony is nagre-wrap siya towards here. So ito, meron ka ulit access sliding door dito that would go to your kitchen area or your dining area pala. Sorry. Yan. So you have that space, you have that view. Pasok ulit tayo. Yan. Dito, actually, pakita ko sa inyo, you have a small storage space or pwede mo siyang i-convert as a pantry. Tapos sa tabi niya, we have your powder room. So this would be your powder room for the living area, dining and kitchen. Now, baba naman tayo kung nasaan yung ating mga bedroom. Going down to your basement, andito lahat ng ating mga kwarto. So let's start with this one. So ito is, you have a good size bedroom. Tapos you have a sliding door connected to the balcony. Pero we'll show you that later on. So mapapansin nyo may stairs. We'll show you that later. Maganda dito sa bahay na to is lahat ng kwarto, they have their own toilet and bath. So yan, di kayo kailangan mag-agawan sa mga toilet and bath kasi lahat ng kwarto nyo merong sariling toilet and bath. Ngayon, this one also has yan. And then, this kwarto is actually really nice kasi meron kang view ng ating golf course and our mountain and city view. So if you open that up, yan, we're going out sa ating balcony area. So, yung balcony nito is same as yung nasa taas, pero that one kasi meron pa siyang space doon. Ito, medyo pinutol kasi that's the master bedroom. So, you have your balcony over here. Kita nyo to? Punta tayo. Kita nyo to is they have an access from the parking area. So, pwede kang bumaba dito. So, for example, ayaw mo nang dumaan sa may living area sa taas, pwede ka nang dumiretso dito sa ating mga kwarto sa baba. So, yan. Okay. Yan. So, now, let's go back inside. Pakita ko sa inyo our next bedroom. Yan. Also, you have your cabinets here. Yan. So, dito tayo sa ating third bedroom. Ang pinagkaiba lang with the two other bedrooms is yung toilet and bath nitong room na to is outside. So, yan, meron siya dyan. So, this one is medyo pahaba lang yung shape nitong kwarto na to. Pero again, you have a decent size bedroom. And you have an access door towards the balcony. So, yun. So, this property has siguro 2 floors. So, we have the ground floor, we have your basement, kung nasaan yung mga bedrooms. And then, you also have a provision for another basement. So, in the future, pag may budget or gusto yung mag-expand ng house, pwedeng-pwede sa baba, yeah. So, that's it for this property. Thank you for joining us for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more properties in North Luzon.